can keep going, I have more.
I can keep going with something.
You guys.
Oh! It's a dangerous smell, people. Hold on, what is that?
So disgusting!
Well, I just saved our lives.
And we style like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis.
But I love that man like nobody can. He moves mountains and pounds them to ground again. I watch the guys getting high as they fight for the things that they hold deep to forget.
It's like that. He ain't never leaving and we're coming right back. I know that he
What's your size? Like the fight. Daddy don't throw no girls. I'm going by.
across the block. I told him he should quit that sketchy scene. He said nothing compares to the fever dream. It's what I do. I wait for you.
From the Fort Knox, this ain't Fortnite, nigga.
Fuck you, man. Get pissed off.
Real niggas from the road, real niggas from the end, real niggas from the home. Homeboy, you ain't know, but it had a bitch.
Man, this my song when I'm riding through. She like the fuck, suck the fuck. I'm the ice cream man. She chunky monkey. I'm the ice cream man.
At the club, said that boyfriend wanna. Why wouldn't it? Got it out the mud, so I'm pouring spray through it. Fuck that at the club, said that boyfriend wanna book me. I'm still feeling love in some areas I shouldn't. I just paid cash.
Too busy fucking bitches getting money. Kid, no. If you're gonna fucking talk out of your ass, at least turn around so I can hear you better.
Oh, you're tough. Everyone, if you think Matt's tough, like this video. Most liked video on the channel.
Change the title, throw in Matt being tough. Okay. Hey guys, okay, I have a really... Tough guy Matt! Tough guy Matt!
Young got no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
I've been all over the world, you know. Wanna see the finest wine, wanna see the finest times, but all the pretty girls come from VA.
Do you like pop music and Chris likes hip hop? And I'm more on the indie side most of the time.
You just make me wanna say, hey, it's me. We've been talking twice a week. I like the speed. It just makes me wanna say, hey, it's me. We've been talking twice a week.
I love seeing like a dog get some water at like a dog park. Yes, fucking get that water.
You really feel that way.
Just you, huh?
Because I want to know what you're saying, but I just have no fucking idea.
You just don't listen. You're not a good listener.
Oh my god.
I'll be your role model. Don't need us tomorrow. Gotta meet with Audemars. Tell me what you want.
Guy doctor. Don't fucking touch me.
Anytime, anywhere, baby boy, I can misbehave. Bring me in, breathe me out, fill me in, running through your face.
I'm so sorry, my insurance is gonna pay for everything. First word that left her mouth. What was your first words? I know.
So, this heat is getting to me. I want you all over
Masterpiece jigsaw puzzle.
Really bad. Is it? It's a squirrel?
So, horse.
No.
You ain't never had the fast investigation. You ain't never had the bad hoes wanna date you. You a bad bitch, daddy got spank you. My nigga fresh out the pen, he might shake you.
Car rides with Matt Sturniolo.
Oh my god, 75% tough, and you created the poll. That's so embarrassing.
Oh my god.
Alright, everybody's deluded. You guys are all stupid. Thank you.
I felt bad for her. I was too busy fucking bitches getting money.